Hello again, everyone. Got another track for you here. It's a blues in G. This is the second blues in G. Now I just put out another one that's a slow one, but this one's faster, 140 beats per minute. And it's simpler in some ways, but there's a real twist to it in that it starts on the 4 chord, right? And there's an Allman Brothers song called You Don't Love Me that does this kind of thing. But this is not a good track to try to do that song. But same kind of chord progressions. We're going to start on the 4 chord. We're going to stay there for another measure. And we're going to come back to the G chord. Right? Now getting to that C, we're going to go back to the C again. You can always, flat the 13 there and move straight down to C. Right? And then we're going to come back to the 1 chord. And then do the 5 chord, that's a D7, and like the last track, we're going to bounce that up to an E flat 7, then back down to D7, and then our turnaround, a 1, a 4, a 1, and a 5, which you don't really have to play, and since we're going to go back to the beginning now, and our first chord is the 4 chord, C, so if you do the turnaround like 1, 4, 1, 1, if you could play the 5, but if you just leave it out and just go like 1, 4, 1, and then just flat this because you're getting ready to go to C. And that'll make a pretty good turnaround. I'll play some of the track as, a couple choruses where it's, just, what do they call it? Not 4 to the bar, but like 2 to the bar. And then it picks up with the ride cymbal and the bass, walking, and all that good stuff. Here we go. Remember, start on the 4 chord. All right, it's lunchtime. All right, so as always, the track and, the chord progression and everything, I wrote it out in the bass clef and the treble clef too, in case you read one clef better than the other. And it's all free. Just click on the links and you should have no problem with it. Be nice. Hit the like button. Subscribe if you haven't already. And thanks again, folks. See you again soon.